Amazon says we want you to go shopping when you pause a show on Prime Video, even though you still got to pay the subscription. What? Come on now. Like now I know you guys heard that Amazon Prime Video said no more free video without commercials unless you're willing to pay for it. They've already started charging that back in February, right? But now they're saying when you pause the video, they want you to shop. What? They got 3 new ad formats that will debut in the coming months on the ad supported subscription tier of Prime Video. Yeah. So the question is, are you willing to spend some money while you're watching TV? It's kind of cool because I think that this might be the new way of TV, right? And they're saying Amazon is introducing 3 new ad formats: shoppable carousel ads, interactive pause ads, and interactive brand trivia ads. And then they're also saying that these ad forms take a different approach, but commonly allow users to add products to their Amazon shopping cart. And then these ads will be shown to Prime Video subscribers who pay for the ad-supported subscription tier. And the ad-free tier costs $3 more than the ad-supported subscription tier. So these are the highlights, all right? So we'll discuss all of that, all right? There's an Amazon has announced new interactive and shoppable ad formats for Prime Video. And they're saying shoppable carousel ads, brands can present a sliding lineup of their products for customers to explore and add to their carts. The ad automatically pauses for customers to browse and resumes when the ad interaction has stopped. The interactive pause ads, customers can engage with the brand when they pause a show or a movie. So when viewers pause the content, they will see a translucent ad featuring brand messaging and imagery and add to cart and learn more buttons. The interactive overlay is present as long as the content is paused, likely longer than a traditional ad break. And then they're saying customers can add displayed products to their Amazon carts to get more information sent to their email or resume their stream. And then lastly, the interactive brand trivia ads. These ads present factoids about the brand while giving the customer the opportunity to shop on Amazon, learn more about services and products, and unlock rewards. Customers can add products to their cart, request information via email, and claim rewards like Amazon shopping credits when purchasing eligible items. All right. This is what all of that means in layman terms. Basically, the carousels. While you're watching a video, you can scroll in a sliding, on a sliding bar, and then they'll say, hey, these are the ads that we have. And maybe they may have a t-shirt. Maybe they may have the lamp. Maybe they may have the couch. Maybe they may have a toaster or something like that. And you can slide to each one. All right. And they're saying the interactive ads, they're saying that they're going to put the brand messaging and imagery, and maybe you may want to, you click on it and you can add it to your cart. And then the trivia, they're saying that they're going to basically just give you some information, and then you might be able to unlock rewards if you answer the right question. This might be the new way of TV, and Amazon Prime is set up to do something like this, right? Because they already have a distribution center, right? So it's not like Walmart, it's not like Target, Costco, or Sam's has distribution. Well, they have the distribution, but they don't have a network. Well, Amazon has a network. And because they have a network and you're already watching your favorite television show, or maybe you're watching a new movie or something like that, they're saying, hey, you know what? That item that you're looking at that's actually in that frame is available on Amazon Prime. Would you like to buy it? Oh, well, here's 5 items, and you can just scroll through and you can pick what you want. Or here's some trivia. And if you ask or answer it, well, maybe we'll give you a $5 or a $2 or a $10 credit. This is a great way because you might say, that's cool. I would like that. Is that not a good situation? Now, they're saying the real devil lies in the details here, because especially those not mentioned, this is where it gets a little tricky here. They're saying that customers will be served these new ad formats even if they pay Amazon for a subscription. As Amazon Prime Video's base subscription is $8.99 per month, serves ads, you must shell out another $3 if you don't want the ads. So right now, if you don't want to pay for the ads, right? If you don't want to pay for the ads, they're telling you pay $8.99. But now that they're about to roll this out, they're saying, give us $3 more. We need $3 more, and then you don't have to pay. All right. And then it said, making matters worse, Prime Video's ad-supported subscription tier does not support Dolby Vision HDR and Dolby Atmos 3D sound, and it only supports a maximum of 4K resolution. And basically, you're not getting the ultimate quality out of your video. But most people, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Dolby Atmos or Dolby Vision HDR, but if you are, you're not going to be able to get those features. All right. I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but unfortunately, if you don't want to pay for the ads, now you got to pay $3 more because you're already paying. I'll just give you $9, $8.99, $9 is the same. Tomato. Now you got to pay $3 more to not get the shoppable ads. So you're going to get those shoppable ads whether you pay the subscription or not. Yeah, that's a lot. Now, we talked about it. I asked you, what'd you think about it? The question that I have for you here is, can't make this up, guys. Do you think Amazon will be successful in getting more sales? 1, yes. If it catches my attention, I'm buying it. 2, no, this is the future of TV and I like it. 3, I need to look more into this. Or 4, I don't watch Prime Video, so it's a no. 1, 2, 3, or 4. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? Do you think Amazon will be successful in getting more sales? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.